Watch me do this really cute, Instagram inspired press on nails. It's easy to follow and super beginner friendly. So if you like what you see, then make sure you keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. So first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to prep our nails, okay? Our nails are going to be prepped using some acetone and any brush of your choosing. So just dip that into the acetone and brush it over the nails. This prevents your nails to have any dust of any kind. If you have a dehydrator or anything like that, but personally I like to use acetone. So just make sure you brush that over. You can see it's got some white streaks on them, but don't worry, that's going to disappear as soon as we put our base coat. So I'm using my usual base coat today. As you guys can tell, this is one of my favorite base coats. I just brushed that over and I paint all over the nails. As you can see, it's already getting rid of those white marks. The acetone was just there to create texture and allow the nails to last longer and avoid chipping. So that's what I'm doing over here. I hope you guys are enjoying my tutorials. I will be filming so many more for you guys. So please make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. I would really appreciate it. So now I'll be using this white. So I got this white from Gelish. It's one of my favorite brands. I mixed that with a bit of base coat because I don't want it to be too strong. That's why I have it on the plate over there. So I mixed that with a bit of base coat to just get like an off-white color, just a bit transparent, but not too transparent. And I will be painting the first half of the nails, all 5 of them. And then I will flip the file and I will then go ahead and paint the top going upwards. So the reason why I do this is because I don't want to get any gel underneath the nails on the cuticle area, especially because that's going to be a pain to remove. So I just easily flip the file and this is what we got. So in the lamp you can see that I touched it. So I'm just going in with a second coat and I'm just going to even that out. It's not too much of an issue because I will be creating a design on top of that. So I'm just going ahead to paint a second layer very quickly, very simply, and it still seems a bit sheer, but it's not too sheer. You know, I can still see the coin in the background, but it's still white, if that makes sense. So this is what it's looking like. Very cute. Now for the next part, we're going to be top coating these nails because we're going to be using some chrome. So I will be top coating everything. Same method that I used before. Paint the bottom of the nail first and then you flip it and paint the top. So it just makes things a lot easier. You spend a lot less time and you have a more cleaner work. So top coat everything and cure that for 30 seconds or 60 seconds, depending on how long your gel tells you to, but 60 to 30 seconds should be enough. So now I've got my black on the plate again. I mixed that with a bit of top coat just because I don't want to have to go over it again with a top coat. If you guys have any recommendations for like a no wipe black polish, please let me know. I need me some of that. So I mixed my top coat with my favorite black gel polish from Diva. I will be using a very thin liner brush, the same one that I showed you guys in my haul video a few days back. So I will be opening it and using it for the first time, and might I say I really enjoyed using this brush. It was very simple to use, and this is the size 0. So we have 000, 00, and 0, and I'm using the 0. And today I'm going to be buffing the nails. The last time I did chrome, I ended up using a matte top coat, but I still ended up having, you know, bits of the chrome, and I had to go in and clean it up. But I saw somewhere that the easiest and the best way to do it is to buff the nails instead of putting the matte top coat. So it just makes things so much easier instead of having to go in and, you know, clean anything up. And quite honestly, it really was a game changer for me. A good buffer is what I need right now, because this one is so beat down, and I've already placed an order for that. So when my order comes, you guys are gonna see it. But make sure there is no shine on that nail, girl. Like, no shine. You don't want to have any shine on there because it's going to stick. Brush all the bits off of the nails, and now you can start drawing your design. So I'm going for like a stem type of line, very thick but still almost like a medium size, and just go with the flow. There is no exact way to do this, however the wind blows, just go with it. But I'm going to go ahead and do this for all 5 of the nails, and I will be curing that for another 60 seconds. Well, because I mixed the black with a top coat, the gel was moving a lot and I couldn't get a really crisp line. So that's why I say to you guys, if you guys have any recommendations for a no wipe gel polish of black or even white, I would really appreciate that, because I like my lines to be super crisp, but I also don't like to go in with the top coat afterwards. So just to save time, I would prefer to have a no wipe top coat, no wipe black polish, so I can do my chromes. Yeah, so just make sure you cure in between every line. So you can see me, I put it back into the lamp, I take it back out just for like 5 seconds. It doesn't even need to be long, 5 seconds maximum, just to flash cure it and go in and clean that line. You can see I'm defining my lines all over again because I feel like the top coat is spreading the product. And yeah, that's what I did, and it worked out pretty well. And the brush was super easy to use, guys. I really enjoyed using the brush. So now we are all done with the lines. I'm very happy with them. They turned out really nice, very cute. And I'll be using my gold chrome again. You guys already know. I want to maybe start like a gold chrome series, or like a chrome series in general. I want to do different chrome designs because you can do so much with chrome, guys. If you know how to work with chrome, you can really do so much with chrome. So I'm going in with the little sponge or little spoolie thing that I give you, and I'm going to brush over my chrome on those black lines. And you can see when I brushed off the excess, it was sparkling clean. Like there was nothing left to clean away. And I'm so happy because no one knows how annoying it is to clean chrome. You literally have to have the perfect line, unless you're going to clean too much, then you're going to start seeing the black on the sides, and you don't want that. So it went really well. I'm putting the chrome all over the black parts, and I'm brushing away the excess and just rubbing it in as perfectly as possible. So you can see that is perfection, because we buffed the whole entire nail and everything was just so perfect, guys. I can't tell you how happy I am. Really, I can't tell you how amazing this turned out. It looks so much better in person, guys. The camera is not even giving it justice. So now we have some glitter that I've had sitting around forever, and I mixed that with some base coat, and I'm going to use that to outline my chrome. I'm not using too much because I want to see the chrome in the background, but I want it to have a bit of sparkle. So I made sure that I did that, and you can see that turned out really nicely. Like I said, this is inspired by Instagram. I saw it somewhere. I'll try my best to find the picture. But yeah, it was a really cute set, very easy, very simple for any beginner to do. And you know, just give it a try. Even if you don't think you can do it or you don't have all the items, just give it a try and see how you like it. But like I said, chrome is such an easy should I say, it's not easy. Chrome is not easy to use, but if you have your techniques and you know what you're doing, you can do so much with chrome. So the glitter was moving around a little bit, so I had to go in there and clean up the excess that was moving around, and I made sure I cured that for 60 seconds. So this is what we have. It looks so good. I tried to turn my lights down a little bit so you guys can see the sparkle but still see the chrome at the same time. So just wait a second. There you go. How cute is this, guys? How cute. Oh my god, I love this. This looks gorgeous. I'm so happy with it. So yeah, it looks so good, and I'm sure in person, if you try this out for yourself, you will love it. So lights back on. We're going to be top coating everything, sealing everything with the blood of Jesus Christ and a bit of top coat. But yeah, we're just going to seal the whole entire set and make sure that everything is covered and sealed to perfection. Now that that's been top coated, I will be taking them off the nail file, like my DIY nail file. If you guys haven't seen the video for this DIY file, just check my videos out. They're there, okay? So I made a tutorial about that, and I will be shaping and filing these nails to make sure that they're very crisp. You can see the tip of the nail also has like little crumbs and bits and bobs at the bottom, so I went in and filed that straight. And yeah, so if you want your clients to really enjoy their nails, make sure you don't send them dull nails, okay? I'm placing everything on my clear strip where I will be putting into the package. So make sure you use a more coarser brush to get rid of the dust, because really dust can go everywhere. You don't want to send your clients dusty nails, and I'm aiming for very high paying clients for my future, pray to God, and I want everything to be perfect, guys. I want it to be quality stuff. So this is what it looks like. I'm so happy with them. They turned out so cute. It's giving Vine, it's giving, you know, artist. So yeah, back to my favorite thing of this video. My favorite part of this video is my packaging. You can see at the bottom there it says push down, so you push that bottom down to open it. I tried to do it without doing that. Sometimes I tried to open it on the side thinking it's going to open. No, you have to go to that bottom area and open it, and then place your nails inside of it and click. It was done. So this is what we have. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.